कैसा है दिस वन? Iron is a magnet or not? Tell me. It is not a magnet, but it can be a magnet. The reason behind what is happening, इसके अंदर जो पार्टिकल है NS, they have what I said that SN, NS means the molecule alignment is zigzag form. Molecules alignments are zigzag form. Therefore, this iron particle is not a magnet. लेकिन जैसे ही मैं इसको लेकर आता हूँ, when I bring it near to the south pole, यहाँ पे लेके आऊँगा, तो south pole में क्या होगा? North वाले attract हो जाएंगे. So this iron will, when it will come over here, then all this will align, and all molecules within the iron particle will align like this. क्योंकि S है, NS, yes or no? ये जो basaltic magma आ रहा है, when this basaltic magma is coming up, they have an iron particles. Yes or not? Yes or not? Then this magma will also have an what? यदि अर्थ के अंदर में कैसा है? अर्थ के अंदर में कैसा था? Yesterday I have shown you in the Earth's interior south and north. और इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? आज के डेट में हम लोग polarity मानते हैं. And if it is south and north, तो हमारे iron particle कैसे होंगे? So iron particle is aligning like what I said that north and. So this kind of alignment in the rock. Yes or not? Yes or not? तो वो जैसे ही solidifying, these rocks started aligning in the form of what? Now this is clear. Again this volcanic eruption took place and this magma started coming out, and then again I said that ध्यान रखना, आपको दिखेगा धीरे धीरे ये पैसिफिक ओशन क्या होते जा रहा है? डिस्ट्रॉय होते जा रहा है. ध्यान से देखेंगे, पैसिफिक ओशन इज फिनिशिंग and who is forming? Atlantic Ocean. Now I said that again it moved, or this rock North America, how much it moved? 1 meter. So further देख रहे हैं आप, पहले क्या था? This much. Now further this ocean floor is 1 meter subducted, and when it has been moved 1 meter more, so this plate moved here and it has been moved here, और ये प्लेट अब यहाँ मूव किया, तो जैसे ही ये प्लेट मूव किया, it has moved 1 meter more. Yes, and this plate come over here. तो ये दोनों टूटकर भी they have been also broken and they come over here like this. And again a new gap created. In this new gap again the basaltic magma come and then solidified. और इसकी पोलैरिटी कैसी थी? पहले कैसे इसके अंदर पोलैरिटी थी? N S. कैसी पोलैरिटी थी? N and S. Yes or no? And when this magma is taking place, then here it is also taking place. So when it has this rock has been further moved 1 meter. So when it is further moved, then it will subduct by 1 meter more at the point of convergence. And when it is in a subducting here, so it has been subducted more 1 meter. तो अब ये प्लेट कहाँ गया? यहाँ पर. Getting my point? Yes or not? So जब ये 1 meter मूव किया, तो ये एक अंदर, पहले क्या था? This plate was here. So when it has moved 1 meter, तो ये प्लेट यहाँ आ गया. Yes or not? Is it okay? किसकी वजह से ये प्लेट मूव किया? Because of the formation of here 1 meter. Now यहाँ पर अब new crust has been formed. यहाँ पे भी 1 meter. तो further it will subduct now. When it is moving 1 meter, then again ocean floor is subducting. और जब ये ocean floor 1 meter बनेगा, तो 1 meter और subduct होगा. Yes. So here it is an again 1 meter formed. Now अब ये portion कहाँ चला गया? This portion has come here. And this portion has what? This red color वाला यहाँ आ गया. तो ये भी टूट कर क्या हो जाएंगे? This one will also come over here. Understood? And they have a north and south and north and normal polarity. Understood it? Now the new magma after certain interval of years come, and they have been also solidified. 1 meter, 1 meter. Understood? But this time Earth's magnetic field, आपको बताया था, after every around 2 lakh years, Earth's magnetic field, earlier it was in a south and north, अभी हमारा south north है. After 2 lakh year it will get change and it will become north and south. तो हमारी जो मैग्नेट शो करेंगे कैसा दिखाएगा? हम लोग मैग्नेटिक नीडल ऊपर की ओर तरफ साउथ दिखाएगा. And this time our south and north has been what? Changed. And then new crust has been formed. New ocean crust. पहले क्या था? This is a normal polarity, north and south. अब ये rock has been broken and then this yellow and this yellow come. Now this becomes south and north. This time magnetic field has been changed. And then another it is in a reverse polarity, ये north and south, and this is what? क्योंकि जैसे ही अर्थ के अंदर की मैग्नेटिक फील्ड चेंज होगी, because of the, yesterday I said that why do we have a magnetic? Because outer core is rotating, and therefore it is in a what? And iron is there. So therefore we have a large magnetic bar imaginary inside the earth. And when their rotation get changed, then the magnetic field direction also change. तो एक समय normal polarity और दूसरे समय क्या जाएगा? Reverse polarity. फिर अर्थ क्या हो जाएगा? After certain period अर्थ again will become what? अर्थ के अंदर की मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या हो जाएगी? फिर रिवर्स होकर नॉर्मल आ जाएगा, तो इसमें फिर हमारे ये दिखाने लग जाएगा. So again the magma keeps on coming and then आप देख रहे हैं ocean floor is forming. And in the ocean floor, what we are finding? Alternate, normal and reverse polarity. Yes or not? Alternate, normal and understood? लेकिन हमें कैसे पता चला? वो तो हम लोग को मैग्नेट से पता चल गया. And then, अच्छा रॉक कहाँ का न्यू है और कहाँ का ओल्ड है? ओशन क्रस्ट. It will be new or this will be new? Center will be new and this is older. And our scientists have found, and when they have measured the age of the rock, this is older and this is newer. And they have also found equal width of the strip and at alternate and on the either side. Sieve पे क्या पाया? What they have found at equal distance from the ridge, from the divergent